Thank you, madam. Now I requesting Dr. K. Arjun sir uh, regarding the this state level free online coaching. Please welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, good evening, all the dignitaries and dear students. We have almost 470 registrations so far. Coming to the numbers, university-wise, we have SU 150, KU 131, OU 82, and also we have registrations from Palamuru University, Telangana University, Mahatma Gandhi University. We also have registrations from JNTU and a registration from Karnool also. And coming to the gender wise, we have 314 female students registrations and 156 male students registrations. And coming to the result wise, that means final year students we have 290 and we have almost 80 students who are passed out. And interestingly, coming to the course wise, we have BCom students, the number is 430 almost, and also from BA, BZC, MPCS. And coming to the college wise, we have almost 300 and plus registrations from GDCs, and we also have registrations from social welfare, tribal welfare, and other institutions. So we are expecting 200 to 300 more registrations during the first week of this first week, sir. And in previous year, we were the 800 plus registrations, sir. In this year, so far we have 470 and expecting 200 to 300. So we are going to reach almost 800 registrations, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for briefing the session, and thank you for the briefing our achievements since last 2 years. We welcome all the dignitaries and patrons of the session.
Thank you,
Okay,
Arjun
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Please mute yourself. Once again, warm welcome to the all respected dignitaries and resource persons and esteemed faculty members from various government degree college and program coordinators from S.R.R. Government Arts and Science College Karimnagar and Kakatiya Government Degree College Autonomous Hanumakonda and today's chief guest Professor D. Chennappa sir, President Telangana Commerce Association, and another guest of honor Professor Jasi Ravi Kumar sir, General Secretary Telangana Commerce Association. Sir will be joined. And dear MCOM entrance aspirants, so warm welcome to this state level free online PG entrance coaching for MCOM. So this program will be started will be start from today onwards. So this is exclusively 40 plus days scheduled program. So after completion of the program, So we will conduct the one mock test also. So this year, few changes has been in the MCOM syllabus. So the Dr. Satish sir will take care of this mock test after completion of the all these schedules as per the uh, given schedule. July 15th or 16th, we will plan mock test also. Uh, so thank you for joining all. So due to CC Commissionerate of College Education Commissioner meeting. So principals of these two colleges not yet joined. So we will continue the program. So now I request to Sri Rajesh sir, coordinator of this state level online coaching. Please brief the session, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. Respected.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Naresh, sir. Disable the annotation అనేది ఒకటి ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని డిజేబుల్ చేయండి. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ స్క్రాంబ్లింగ్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్. డిజేబుల్ annotation అనేది Aryan Rajay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Respected patrons, Professor Ramakrishna sir and J. Srinivas sir will join in due course because of some busy schedule. And today's program chief guest, Professor D. Chennappa Garu, Senior Professor, Department of Commerce, Usmania University, and President of Telangana Commerce Association. Guest of honor, Professor Jasti Ravikumar sir. Sir is also not joined yet. He will join in due course. Professor, Department of Commerce, PG College, Usmania University. And my co-coordinator, Dr. D. Rajashekar, HOD and BOS Chairman, Department of Commerce, KGC College, Usmania, KGC College, Hanumakonda. And convener of this program, Dr. B. Naresh sir, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Department of Commerce, S.R.R. Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. And co-conveners, Dr. K. Arjun sir, he is also one of my colleagues. And Dr. G. Srinivas, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Kakatiya Government College, Hanumakonda. And today's resource person, Dr. M. Malla Reddy sir, all my department faculty, other resource persons, and my dear MCOM aspirants. A warm welcome to this program, you all. That is inaugural session of our MCOM entrance online coaching program. Today is not just the start of classes, it is the start of a journey. Our team will support you all the way of your journey. And we are very happy to start this program because we conducted in last year same program and we have received a number of good results in that entrance program. So dear students, this is an online coaching program. So you all must join on time and make your notes soon and ask your doubts if you have any without hesitation. Thank you, Ben Naresh sir, Arjun sir, and Srinivas sir for taking initiation to start this program. And all the resource persons, thank you. And my department faculty for committing to this online coaching program. Thank you, one and all, for attending this program. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable input. Now I am requesting to Professor Rajshekhar, sir, Department of Commerce, Head, Kakatiya University, Kakatiya Government College Autonomous, Hanumakonda. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Naresh, sir. Respected chief guest of this inaugural session, Professor D. Chennappa, sir. And with the same honor, guest of honor, Professor Jasti Ravi Garu. And patrons of this program, principals, Professor K. Ramakrishna, sir, and Professor G. Srinivas, sir, and conveners, co-conveners, resource persons, and faculty members, distinguished guests, Telangana Commerce Association representatives, and my dear students. Once again, good evening to all and welcome to this state level free online MCOM entrance coaching program for CPGET 2026, which is jointly organized by S.R.R. Government Arts and Science College Autonomous Karimnagar and Kakatiya Government College Autonomous Hanumakonda in association with the prestigious Telangana Commerce Association. At the outset, I express my sincere gratitude to the government of Telangana for encouraging initiatives that promote higher quality higher education and equal learning opportunities for all students. This program reflects our collective commitment to academic excellence and student empowerment. We all know that today the world is witnessing a rapid transformation in commerce, business, finance, taxation, and digital technologies. In such a competitive environment, higher education has become essential for career growth and professional success. Pursuing an MCOM degree opens the gateway to all these careers like teaching, research, accounting, banking, finance, and entrepreneurship. Many talented students aspire to pursue post-graduation education, but they lack access to the quality coaching and guidance. Keeping in this need, our institutions, S.R.R. Government College and Kakatiya Government College, have come together to provide this free online coaching to help students prepare effectively for this CPGET 2026 entrance examination. This initiative is designed not only to improve examination performance, but also to build confidence, conceptual understanding, and academic aspirations among the students. I really appreciate the efforts of the organizing team, coordinators, conveners, co-conveners, faculty members, and resource persons from the Telangana Commerce Association for their dedication in making this program a reality. Their commitment demonstrates how academic institutions can collaborate for the benefit of the student and society. Dear students, this coaching program is a valuable opportunity. I encourage each one of you to attend the sessions regularly, be in touch with the resource persons, interact with the resource persons, clarify your doubts, and make the best use of the expert guidance being provided. Success in competitive examinations is achieved through consistent effort, discipline, and determination. I am confident that the distinguished resource persons participating in this program will provide valuable insights into the syllabus, examination pattern, preparation strategies, and career opportunities in the field of commerce. I once again extend a warm welcome to all the participants and guests. I wish this state level free online MCOM entrance coaching program a great success and hope that it will help many students secure admission into postgraduate programs and achieve their academic goals. I once again wish you all the success, my dear students. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. on behalf of the S.R.R. and KDC and TCA, so we are truly thankful to the all distinguished faculty members and resource persons from various government degree colleges across the Telangana, all the universities, and also Dr. Samata Madam, Assistant Professor from Telangana Social Welfare Degree College, Karimnagar, and all the advisors and organizing team members and all the TCA office bearers. We are also once again thankful to your valuable services. Thank you very much, sir. Now I requesting Harjot Kaur madam ఉన్నారా?
తీసుకొచ్చిండు రైట్
కవర్ మేడం.
పవర్ మేడం లేనంటున్నారు కదా సార్. ఒక్కసారి నేను రవి సార్ కాల్ చేస్తే అంతలోపు ఒకసారి శ్రీనివాస్ సార్ మీరు మాట్లాడండి. గణేష్ శ్రీనివాస్ సార్.
Sir, let us invite Satish sir.
సతీష్ సార్, ఓకే ఓకే సార్. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సతీష్ సార్. ప్లీజ్ బ్రీఫ్ అబౌట్ ది ప్రోగ్రామ్ సార్. సతీష్ సార్.
Yeah. Good evening, Naresh sir.
Thank you.
Respected Professor Chennappa sir, President Telangana Commerce Association, and convener Dr. Naresh sir, today's resource person Dr. Malla Reddy sir, conveners, co-conveners, and coordinators of the two colleges, and special to mention two principals from S.R.R. College and KDC, and all other faculty members and students. Very good evening. Actually, this online MCOM entrance coaching started with the idea coined by Dr. Naresh sir 3 years back when he was working in Government Degree College, Metpalli. We had a lot of discussion over phone how to go about. And very interestingly, Khammam Degree College came forward to collaborate with him. We have drawn so many resource persons from degree colleges. And that year, about 150 students took part in the online coaching. And the same tempo is now in progress after he joined in S.R.R. College. And tremendous response from all the students, about 800 registrations as Arjun sir was saying. And one important thing I want to share is there is a change in the syllabus during the last 3 years. 2023 old syllabus we have followed. 24. 2025 our BCom computer students were suffering because of the old syllabus, having 30 marks not related to their first year, second year, third year syllabus subjects. So we gave one representation to TCA, CCE, State Council, and the Director of Admissions, PG, Usman University. Personally met them to revise the syllabus. And very interestingly, last year, about 5 to 10 marks syllabus was changed. And thanks to Professor Chennappa sir and Chairman Board of Studies of Usman University, Patrick sir, and other professors for taking initiative to revise the syllabus this year also, and which facilitates all the BCom computer students and BCom general and all other students to write this entrance examination without any problem, because all the this year syllabus is covering all these subjects of first, second, and third year syllabus, giving opportunity to all the students. Second important point is students, you understand this year GST 5 marks introduced. Earlier it was not there. Similarly, you have cost and management accounting in 6th semester. That is also there for 10 marks. And research methodology and project report writing. For that also 10 marks allocated this year. So as a final year student, you have advantage. 20 marks from final year subjects will come, are part of the syllabus now. And you are recently completing your 6th semester. So you take the advantage and get the good amount of marks. And congratulations to Naresh sir and all other faculty members for taking initiative, which is creating impact on the MCOM admission in the state. I have some numbers when I spoke to Naresh sir and Patrick sir and others for the last 3-4 months. About 20 admissions of campus, Usmania Campus University, admitted only from the students who appeared this online coaching. That shows the quality of the type of coaching and the material that we provide to them. And we are also expecting the same number this year in all the university campuses. And very interesting observation from my side is yesterday I was attending one program which was addressed by Telangana State Council chairman in the Shata University campus. He said MCOM fintech is also we are going to introduce this year. If it is available in the Usman University campus, Shatavan University campus, or other university campuses, students please opt that as a first option, because as Rajshekhar sir was saying, there is a digital revolution in the business world also. To meet the requirements of the industry and the digital mode of business, fintech is the best option to get into the corporate world, and you can become the best leader in the business by going through the technology studies. With these few words, thanking all the organizing team and all other students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, as per last year we got the good number of ranks in many of our students successfully secured the MCOM rank. So we stayed first rank and third rank, 14th rank, and 17th rank. So overall, 19 students they got admission into OU campus. Remaining students, Koti Women's College, 4 students, and KU campus, 3 students. So this year also we are expecting the same kind of results. So thank you very much, sir. Now I requesting Professor Chennappa sir grace the inaugural session. So due to busy schedule of our today's guest of honor, Professor Jasti Ravi Kumar sir, General Secretary Telangana Commerce Association, unable to join due to his busy schedule. So now I requesting Professor Chennappa sir, Senior Professor, Department of Commerce, Usmania University, and President, Telangana Commerce Association. Please grace the occasion, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good evening to one and all. Good evening to one and all, and it is a great honor to participate in this kind of program. It is a very wonderful program, which is a benefiting to the students who are pursuing the BCom and who are dreaming to get admission into the MCom courses. And really, we have to hats up to these endeavors. At the outset, I would like to thank even the principals, though in absence of the S.R.R. Karimnagar College, even the Kakatiya College of the Warangal, in absence of our General Secretary, Professor Jasti Ravi Kumar, but in presence, I'm very happy to see that our Professor Rajasekhar and Rajaya, these are the coordinator. Really nice to see you, sir. Then the strategist and first person to take the class and very dynamic personality, Dr. Malla Reddy. Really very, very hats up to you, sir. Then entire program, the founder of this program is called as Dr. Naresh. With the help of our Dr. Arjun is there, Dr. Gandhi Srinivas, and many more faculty members, many more directly or indirectly, they're helping to making this program useful to our commerce fraternity. Number one. Number two is I'm very happy that out of the 800, seriously might have attended 50%. Out of the 50%, means 20 on an average 20 students they got admission in Usmania University campus. Still, it is appearing onto the screen. We are very highly delighted, and we can say that very proud for that, and how best this institutions are coming forward with the help of the faculty members and serving to the commerce fraternity. As a senior professor of Usman University, I am very happy to note it. I am thrilled to note it. this kind of sacrifice, this kind of the commitment from our Commerce One faculty members are coming. Really, really, we have to hats off for them. Then the coming to the who have login as of now, around 120 students have login, and its number will goes to the 400 to 500, and by the end of the time, it may be reaching to the 800, even the 1000 also. But I would like to focus on to my dear students. The education is only the road to take to you whatever your dream is there. Whatever the dream is there. The education is only the power. Okay. Now to fulfill your dreams, definitely there are so many obstacles. Like the obstacles means now you would like to get the seat into the post-graduation MCOM. The first obstacle is you cannot find to the proper coaching center. The another obstacle is you may not find to the proper tutors or mentors, proper teachers. The another obstacle is you may not find out the proper material. And all the students, you may not find out any platform where to go, how to attend, how to prepare it, and what could be the syllabus, what is a important question is there. And I'm happy to note that some of the people started explaining about the future of the commerce fraternity. The digital era is coming out. In that digital era, everything is commerce, including now we can war is also taking place onto the laptops with the help of the digital numbers only. The number is commerce is providing. So this is whatever the obstacles to fulfill your dreams, that is going to be vanished by these two colleges people. I'm very, very happy to note that S.R.R. College of the Karimnagar, Kakatiya Government Degree College, whatever the obstacle is there, they are going to give the material, they are going to give the subject knowledge, they are going to conduct the mock test, they are going to give the mentorship, everything they are going to give to you. Then the only one thing is there, you have to attend very regularly, sincerely, commitment and proper planning. If you have definitely, this platform is going to help you to reaching your destination, despite of many obstacles are there. From our students, what we're expecting means, first we expecting from to the students are hard work. If you do the hard work is there, we are going to provide the mentors. If you be with the sincerity, we are going to provide the very committed senior most faculties or experienced faculties for you that. If you attend regularly classes, we are going to provide the materials. And if you are attending and practicing whatever the questions are given, we are going to providing about the material with the solutions, with the explanation like that. And if you have the patience and commitment and you have the zeal to that, we are going to conduct the mock test and inform you that where you are, how to improve that. Any mode if you take it, that this is the very wonderful platform. With the association of the Telangana Commerce Association, with the help of our own young faculty, dynamic faculty members, the very seriously 45 days, free of cost. Material is free of cost. Then the teaching is free of class. And only thing is there, you have to attend very regularly. If you are attend very regularly, concentrating that definitely this platform is going to take to your future dreams are going to be fulfilled very effective manner. Again, I can tell you that the seats are limited, but your dreams may be very, very big is there to overcome then less number of seats to crack those seats. It is complete in your hand. How best you can take, how seriously you will prepare, how committed you are prepared, how planning you will do it. That's how you can interact with our faculty members. Definitely, you are going to have the greater futures. And finally, we are the new states entering to the 12th year. So I wish you that the for 12th year, new Telangana state, greetings to you. Telangana state is also a very inspiring state. That Telangana state is a very progressive state. You take to any other states, Telangana state is a very empowering state. Telangana is a very emerging leaders. Telangana is an emerging academic leaders state is also there. But the future lies in your hands. How best to make use of this leader, the present leader or future leader or past leader, whoever may be there, and how best you can make use of these all opportunities how proper direction you're working it, that's completely in the hands of you only. These 45 days, today onwards to the entrance test day, concentrate it seriously, vigorously, if you attend and plan, and definitely you are going to get the seat. I am expecting to see that I am welcoming not 20 students. We have at the campus, there are 60 seats are there. Out of the 60 seats, minimum to minimum 50% they may come from to this platform. Those who are attending to this pre-coaching is there. We feel very proud, and with the rosy welcome hands, we are welcoming all the students to come out to the campus and make your dreams and your futures. With this, really, I thank all the now there are so many, there are dozen people are volunteered, then my dear student volunteered. They are not charging. They are not at all charging any money. Eminent personality. You can see their profiles. You can see each and every academic profile. You can see the Malla, Reddy, Naresh, even Arjun is there. Even Professor Rajsekhar wonderfully has addressed about it. Rajaya. So many people even go to the city colleges there. Nagalakshmi, then the many even so Sumalata is there. Chandramoul is there. Salaya is also there. Sambasiva, Anjaneyulu, Satish is there. Mallikarjun Rao. Arjit Kaur is also there. Suresh is an eminent, very good speaker about Suresh is there. Gajendra Babu is a technical staff is there. Jansi, very eminent personality. She is going to speak on to the constant management account. And S. Ramesh and again Gangisetti Srinivas. He is always for people only. Gangisetti Srinivas is meant for to the students. He always work for the students. He always then the supporting to the students. Gangisetti Srinivas is there. But definitely this is a very good combinations. We feel very happy and proud to see all the people. But my dear students, how best you are going to make use of this platform and definitely get the seats into the universities, because of there are so many now 9 universities are there. 9 universities are offering MCOM courses. If you enter into the university, you are going to provide the lodging and boarding is free of cost there, rather going to the private institutions. And finally, I'm happy to learn that I have seen that Mancheriala the student has come up, even the Karimnagar student, Hyderabad the student, Jadcherla student has come up, even some of the Kurnool students also be attending for this. Therefore, there is no barriers of confined to Telangana. It is extended to the behind the Telangana also. Okay, fine. This inaugural, I can state that this online free coaching for MCOM entrance test is open. I wish you good luck. Whatever the support is required by to the organizers and the resource persons, we are there to help you. And I wish you my students, please concentrate and get the opportunities to get your MCOM seat into the campuses. With this, this pre-online coaching is going to be open. Over to the
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable inputs and your blessings for this 40 plus days state level pre-online coaching. So today's session is today's resource person is Dr. M. Malla Reddy, sir, Associate Professor of Commerce, S.R.R. Government Arts and Science College. Before start this session, I request Dr. Gangishetty Srinivas, sir, please.
Sir, Naresh sir, 1 second.
Sir, sir.
సార్ చిన్నప్ప సార్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి ఒక విషయం అడుగుదాం అనుకుంటున్నా సార్ సార్ నేను డాక్టర్ సతీష్ కుమార్ గవర్నమెంట్ డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ పెద్దపల్లి. సార్ నిన్న స్టేట్ కౌన్సిల్ చైర్మన్ శాతవ యూనివర్సిటీకి వచ్చారు సార్. సార్ అనౌన్స్ చేశారు ఏంటంటే ఎంకామ్ లో పీజీలో కూడా కొత్త కోర్స్ ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేసాం, ఎంకామ్ ఫిన్టెక్ అని. చాలా ఇన్వైటెడ్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్ సార్. మన ఉస్మాన్ యూనివర్సిటీ కానీ ఇంకా ఎవరైనా యూనివర్సిటీ ఆప్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా సార్? అది ఉంటే మన స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తే ఏమన్నా యూజ్ అవుతుంది.
చూద్దాం సార్. లెట్ దెమ్ నౌ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ అగైన్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో వెబ్ ఆప్షన్స్ నౌ. When the web options are coming, definitely it could be included. Once the council is stated that they are going to be introduced it, definitely we are the first person to take up the opportunities. Definitely, sir, why not? We can extend our MCOM IS and MCOM FinTech, and even we would like to go with the MCOM computer applications also.
Sir, yes. FinTech start చేస్తే మనమే ఇండియాలో ఫస్ట్ అవుతాం సార్ MCOM FinTech.
Yes. We have to do it, sir.
Yes,
we will do it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now I requesting Dr. Gangishetty Srinivas, sir, to please propose the vote of thanks to this inaugural session. After completion of vote of thanks, the session will be continued. The topic is TGCPGET 2026 MCOM overview of the syllabus and preparation strategies by eminent resource person Dr. M. Malla Reddy sir. Thank you, sir. Hand over to Dr. Vengishet Singh.
Thank you, Naresh sir. Very good evening, all. Happy Telangana Farmers Day to all of you, sir. Respected chief guest of the inaugural session of the 45-day program, CPGET online free coaching, Senior Professor Chennappa sir, who has showing his empathy towards the commerce fraternity and as well as the commerce students and principals of both the colleges, S.R.R. Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Professor K. Ramakrishna sir, Kakatiya Government College Autonomous Hanumakonda, Professor G. Srinivas sir, and coordinators of the program, head of the department, S.R.R. Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Dr. Rajesh sir, and Professor Rajeshekar sir from KGC Hanumakonda, and Telangana Commerce Association, which is one of the prestigious association working for the commerce education and for the welfare of the commerce fraternity as well as students in the Telangana. President Senior Professor Chennappa sir and General Secretary Professor Jasti Ravi Kumar sir and all the executive committee members of the Telangana Commerce Association and resource persons from various colleges and my dear students. Very good evening once again, and I would like to mention one to two sentences regarding this program of this year. Since 3 days, we have been in touch with the students and we made aware of the program. Day before and 2 days before, the students of 60 students participated in that Zoom meeting. And today we have 105 students, 105 registry members on platform. This is a very good number of students participating in the program, and as well as their active participation is going on. Thank you for the accepting the proposal from the convener of the program, Dr.Naresh, in front of principals for acceptance of this program. We are heartfelt thanks to both the college principals and coordinators for accepting the proposal from the conveners of the program. And my special thanks to Senior Professor Chennappa sir for grace the occasion and motivated the students towards MCOM education. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your kind words and blessings to the students. And my thanks to Professor Jasti Ravi Kumar sir for accepting, but he is unavailable due to his hectic work, and resource persons, especially Dr. Satish sir, he has been working for the updation of the syllabus and updation of the MCOM entrance syllabus. Thank you, sir, for your kind support to the student community. Dr. M. Malla Reddy sir is techno savvy and for all his YouTube videos for the welfare of the students, and other madams and all the resource persons for your acceptance. Thank you from the convener and the colleges and all the from the principals of this college on behalf of principals, coordinators and co-conveners, all the resource persons for your acceptance to render your services to the student community. Thank you, sir. On behalf of myself, my special thanks to Dr. Naresh sir to make me part in this program to render my services to the student community. Dr. K. Arjun sir, he accepted his render his services to the as co-convener for this program. Thank you all for your blessings and support for this program. Thank you. With these words, I will say the meeting is concluded. Thank you once again all.
Thank you, my dear students. All the best. Good luck.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
I'm
much.
leaving now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Yes,
Thank you,
Chennappa.
sir.
meeting not yet over.
Meeting not yet over. Meeting.
Only
Just inaugural is completed.
Inaugural session is over. The students
Yes,
Very
sir.
in this, no sir, students are very enthusiastically waiting for your session
Okay,
and
okay.
for your information.
Yes, yes,
It's
yes.
very valid for 45 days. You will provide the base for the course by giving overall inputs regarding the entrance exam. Hearty welcome, Malla Reddy sir, and dear students, please participate actively and listen and make your notes. Naresh sir, I am handing the mic to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, on behalf of S.R.R. Government College, Karimnagar, and Kakatiya Government College, Hanumakonda. So, once again, we are heartfelt thanks to all the resource persons and organizing team from the both colleges to successfully organize this 40 plus days state level online free coaching program. Thank you, sir. Now I requesting today's resource person, Dr. M. Malla Reddy, sir, Associate Professor of Commerce and Additional Control of Examination, S.R.R. Government Arts and Science College, Autonomous Karimnagar. Thank you, sir. Hand over to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Naresh sir. So, good evening, one and all. Respected chief guest of today's inaugural session of state level free online PG coaching, entrance coaching for MCOM. Is my sound is clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes. So, the chief guest of today's program, Professor D. Chennappa, sir, President, Telangana Commerce Association, and a guest of honor, Professor of Commerce from University PG College, Secunderabad, and who is General Secretary, Telangana Commerce Association, and two patrons of the colleges, that is Professor K. Ramakrishna Garu, Principal, S.R.R. Government Arts and Science College, and Professor G. Srinivas, sir, Principal, Kakatiya Government College Autonomous, Hanumakonda, and coordinators, Dr. Sri T. Rajaya, sir, Vice Principal, HOD, Department of Commerce, S.R.R. College, and Professor D. Rajashekar, sir, Vice Principal, HOD, Department of Commerce from Kakatiya Government College, Hanumakonda. And the main backbone of this program, that is convener, Dr. Naresh sir, who has been organizing this program for the last 3 years. So this is the third time they have been conducting the program for the welfare of the students. So they always think about the students' welfare and development. So it is a great cause of concern. And the co-conveners, dynamic co-conveners, Dr. K. Kompale Arjun sir, and Dr. Gangishetty Srinivas sir, who is also motivational speaker, and my co-resource persons present on the meeting, Dr. Anantula Satish Kumar sir, who has enlightened about the changes in the syllabus, which I am going to cover about the changes also. And another resource person, Dr. Harjot Kaur madam, who is present in this meeting, and my dear lovely students who are eagerly waiting for the overview of the syllabus for TGCPGET MCOM entrance test. So my dear students, it is highlighted that state level free online coaching. I would like to tell you that it is not free because 22 resource persons are involving in this program across the state from different government colleges. My dear students, even if you pay 5 to 10,000, you can't get this kind of resource persons because they are highly qualified. They are very rich experienced. So this kind of coaching you can't get at anywhere. I can challenge you. Therefore, I request all of you to be present for every class. Don't miss any class. Whenever a word free used, students are reluctant to class. They are very careless towards class. So that kind of attitude must not be maintained by the students. Be punctual to the online classes. Don't feel that it is free because all the resource persons are investing their valuable time. They are putting a lot of efforts in preparation of the slides and preparation of the content to give you best content. Therefore, it is not free. So therefore, be attentive towards the class, get more ranks. Last year, one of the participants got first rank. They landed in Department of Commerce and Business Management at Usman University. So that is the great achievement. And one more student got third rank as well. So this year, I want you to get to secure the ranks from 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like Narayana Sri Chaitanya will announce in the news. So we should also announce after completion of this course, after completion of declaration of the results, we should also get more ranks this time. So aim for the better rank so that you will land in a great university like Usmania University, Kakatiya University, and other universities located in the state. So this is my humble request to you. So with these inputs, I would like to start my presentation. And my dear students, I request all of you to be patient for the next 30 to 40 minutes so that I will enlighten you on the syllabus and preparation techniques. What are all the changes incorporated into MCOM syllabus? I'm going to discuss with you. Sir Naresh sir, can you give me co-host so that
Okay, sir. Just a minute,
and dear students, my request to all of you is whenever I ask a question, try to answer my question, try to unmute and chat with me. Okay, are you ready?
Sir, you are the host.
Yeah, okay. I think my PPT is visible to all.
So screen sharing started, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. Visible annotation. Like, so right.
Yes, sir, visible.
Very good evening to one and all, my dear students. So myself, Dr. Malla Reddy, Associate Professor of Commerce. I am from the S.R.R. Government Arts and Science College. Today I am going to speak on TGCPGET MCOM entrance test, overview of syllabus and preparation strategies. And the agenda of my presentation is, I would like to tell you brief schedule of the TGCPGET, and I will tell you how many universities are participating in this TGCPGET and eligibility, what is the eligibility and what is the new syllabus, what are the new subjects incorporated into MCOM entrance test syllabus. And towards the end of my video, I will give you a list of reference books. If you follow these books, you will definitely get top ranks in MCOM entrance test. So there is no doubt that, and I will give you preparation tips as well. So this is my agenda of my presentation. So now let me, right. So this is the schedule. I hope that every one of you have already applied for the TGCPGET MCOM entrance test. If anybody has not applied so far, it would be the right time to apply for it, because what is the last date here? So 10th June is the last date. Don't wait till 10th June. Yeah. Right. So don't wait till 10th June. Better it is the right time to go for application and complete your application process. And if you, with 500 rupees, the last date for applying is 14th June. And with 2000, the last date is 18th June. And my dear students, they have clearly mentioned in the notification that they are going to conduct the examinations in the first week of July 2000. Naresh sir, mute all please.
సిలబస్ చూపిస్తున్నారు
సార్ మీరే హోస్ట్ ఉన్నారు కదా, మ్యూట్ చేయాలి.
Student.
Monica.
మౌనిక నువ్వు మ్యూట్ చేసుకోమ్మా. మౌనిక
హలో సార్
మౌనిక మ్యూట్ చేయమ్మా నీ మైక్.
Whenever you want to okay.
మ్యూట్ చేశాను సార్.
Right. And this MCOM test, not only MCOM entrance test, all the entrance test will be conducted through online computer based only. So this is the CBT mode, online CBT mode. So that you need to focus on. Right. This is something about the brief schedule of the TGCPGET. Then how many universities are participating in this common entrance test? So there are 9 universities. So there are 45 PG courses and 2 PG diploma courses being offered by these 9 universities are covered under TGCPGET entrance test. So our MCOM subject is one among the 45 PG courses. Then in which universities MCOM course is being offered? Out of 9 universities, only 7 universities are offering MCOM courses. So you can join at Usmania University based on your rank. Then next Kakatiya, Telangana University, Mahatma Gandhi, Palamuru, and Shatavahana. Then in Jawaharlal Nehru, we don't have any MCOM course. And then next for women students, Veeranari Chakala Ilamma Women's University, it is the best university to join it because it is for only women. In the state, there is only one women university, that is Veeranari Chakala Ilamma Women's University, located in Hyderabad. And we don't have MCOM course at Dr. Manmohan Singh Earth Science University as well. So out of 9, you can get admission into MCOM course in 7 universities. So 7 universities are offering the MCOM course. So that is about the participating universities. And this is the eligibility. And one interesting thing I found while Dr. Arjun sir was announcing that students from BA, BJETs and MPs are also participating in this online free coaching. Because from 2022 onwards, MCOM is open for all the graduates. Earlier, prior to the 2022, MCOM course was only for BCOM students, and not even BBA student was able to and eligible to appear for MCOM entrance. So later, they made it open for all the graduates. Now, anybody can appear for the MCOM entrance test. So that's why they have mentioned here, any graduation. So BA student, BBA, BBM, and BSc, Life Science and Physical Science, BCA students can also appear for the MCOM entrance test. So here, one more information here, course name. And in the MCOM, there are six specializations are there. That is MCOM General. The next MCOM Information System, which is being offered by the Usman University, and MCOM E-Commerce, MCOM Computer Applications, MCOM Insurance and Banking, MCOM Financial Accounting. As Dr. Satish Kumar sir was rightly pointing out that, so this year they are going to introduce MCOM FinTech also. That would be the best choice for you. If you get good rank, then you can opt for that MCOM FinTech as well. So these are the specializations available for you. It depends upon your rank. Get or better rank, choose right MCOM specialization. So that is my advice. So this is something about the eligibility. Coming to the examination pattern. What is the examination pattern? So here, MCOM entrance test will be conducted with 100 multiple choice questions. So it is objective kind of examination. 100 multiple choice bits will be covered and each question carries 1 mark. Therefore, 100 MCQs for 100 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. And the time which is given for you to finish the exam is 90 minutes only. Since it is the computer-based online test, you have to complete your examination within 90 minutes. 90 minutes means 1.5 hours only. And it will be conducted through online only. And coming to the next important part, most people doubt that what is the cutoff mark? So minimum cutoff marks in the entrance test for OC, EWS, BC categories, 25%. That means out of 100, 25% means 25 marks. And my dear students, you need not to focus on the minimum cutoff marks. Aim for the top rank. Try to get number 1. Try to get number 2. Try to get below 50. Try to get below 100 ranks. So that you will land in a great university like Usmania and Kakatiya and other universities. So that I would like to achieve you. And there is no negative marks. Most students will get out that is there any negative marking system. So there are no negative marks. Therefore, you can attempt all the questions given in the test. So that is the one more important point. And the test will be conducted in both media. That is Telugu medium and English medium as well. So this is something about the examination pattern of the TGCPGET. And the next one. So these are the specializations we have already discussed. Out of 9 universities, 7 universities are offering these MCOM courses with different specializations. And the next one is list of test zones. And my dear students, better choose the nearby test zone. So there are 12 test zones. Almost all are district headquarters, undivided district headquarters. Better choose nearby test zone so that you can comfortably appear for the entrance examinations. And the next one is, right. So this is the important slide. So TGCPGET MCOM entrance new syllabus. Why I am mentioning new syllabus? This year, they have incorporated two new subjects and 2 new topics as well. Therefore, syllabus has been revised. And my dear students, this year Kakatiya University is conducting TGCPGET entrance test. for all the subjects, for all the 45 PG courses and 2 PG diploma courses. Then what are all the changes incorporated into this MCOM entrance syllabus? Let us look at. Now, the MCOM entrance test syllabus has been divided into 2 parts. Part A for 40 marks. Under Part A, 4 subjects will be covered. So from each subject, 10 multiple choice questions will be covered for 10 marks. Therefore, Part A contains 40 marks with 4 subjects. These 4 subjects include financial accounting. You might have studied in the semester 1 and 2. Advanced accounting. You might have studied in the semester 3. Cost and management accounting. Whatever I have mentioned in the red color are incorporated this year only. They are new syllabus. That means new syllabus, new topics. So cost and management accounting was not there in the earlier syllabus. This year, they have included it in the MCOM entrance test syllabus. So without cost and management accounting, accounting would not be complete. Now you can see financial accounting, advanced accounting, cost and management accounting. When you talk about accounting, everybody will remember these accounts. The next 4th subject under Part A is. So these 4 subjects will be covered under Part A. Coming to Part B, there are 6 subjects included under Part B. From each subject, 10 MCQs will be covered for 10 marks. Then what are 6 subjects? Lingala, please mute yourself. Right. Under Part B, there are 6 subjects. Under Part B, the first subject is business economics. This is the generic elective studied in the 5th semester. Then next BOM, you might have studied in the semester 1 itself. And business statistics, one of the scoring subjects. Basic computer skills was there earlier. This year, they have added e-commerce topic as well. The next one, income tax and basics of GST. So earlier, there was only income tax subject, but this year, they have added basics of GST as well. So you might have studied GST as part of the 6th semester, if I'm not wrong. Right? The last one is research methodology and project report. So you have studied research methodology and you have submitted your project report, attended Vivos as well. So this is the syllabus meant for MCOM entrance test. So then what are the changes made into this MCOM entrance syllabus? Means that I have mentioned in the red color. So cost and management accounting. The next full-fledged subject is research methodology and project report. Then what were the subjects removed from the syllabus? Earlier, there was general knowledge and current affairs subject, general knowledge in commerce and business management. Then next one more subject was there, that is general English. The general English subject was also removed. But in general English, half of the syllabus was covered from research project report only. Therefore, they have added research material and project report. So these are the subjects part of the MCOM entrance test syllabus. Dear students, are you listening clearly? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, right. Now,
Yes, sir.
now we will focus on specific topics from each and every subject. What are the key points you must prepare while preparing for the MCOM entrance test? So from Part A, the first subject is financial accounting. When we talk about the financial accounting, so there are 2 financial accounting 1 and 2. So here under financial accounting, all the topics from FA1 and FA2 covered as part of the financial accounting. So from this subject, they are going to cover 10 MCQs for 10 marks. So generally, MCOM entrance paper is prepared in such a strict manner. From each subject, they will cover 10 MCQs only. So therefore, what are the specific topics you need to focus on? That is introduction to accounting, include accounting concepts and conventions. Here, I want to tell you, every year in every MCOM entrance test paper, 1 MCQ will be covered from accounting concepts, 1 will be covered from accounting conventions as well. I will show you the previous year question. So therefore, I request all the students to learn the key point of each and every accounting concept. What is the only key point? For example, business entity concept is there. What is the business entity? Entity means The business is different and owner is different. That's all. Try to learn the key concept of the particular accounting concept only. Don't prepare like a conventional method, like you are appearing for the university examination. That kind of theory not required. You just focus on the key points only. Then next, accounting process. Then journalizing, posting to ledger accounts. In the accounting process, what you need to focus is you have to learn the golden rules of debit credit. What is the personal, real, and nominal accounts, and important journal entries as well. And try to learn different ledger accounts, how to balance the ledgers. Coming to the subsidiary books, as all of you know that there are 8 subsidiary books. I don't want to repeat all these 8. Here, I want to ask you one simple question. If anybody knows this, you can answer. Which of the subsidiary book is called as general journal? Anybody? Which of the subsidiary books is called general journal?
General proper.
Very good. Who is that? May I know your name?
My name is Balachandra.
Balachandra. Okay, very good. Right. So there are 8 subsidiary books. In the subsidiary book chapter, what you need to focus is definition of subsidiary book, format of subsidiary book, what to be recorded, what not to be recorded. So if in the 3-column cash book, what is the contra entry? Under which circumstances contra entry is recorded? Under which circumstances contra entry is not recorded? Like that, you have to focus on key points. Coming to next topic is bank reconciliation statement. BRS is also one of the most important topics. So here under BRS, you need to focus on causes for difference between cash book balance and passbook balance. So like that, you need to focus on 11 causes are there. You try to understand all these causes. The next, preparation of trial balance. Then final account. Under final accounts, you need to focus on trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Try to learn all the adjustments as well. The next, errors and rectification of errors. There are different types of errors. That means errors disclosed by trial balance, errors not disclosed by trial balance. In another way, we can also say that one-side errors, two-side errors. And what is the suspense account? Like this, you need to focus on. The next, bills of exchange. There is a Negotiable Instruments Act. Anybody knows it? What is the Negotiable Instrument Act?
Bills of exchange, promissory note check, sir.
What I'm asking is Negotiable Instrument Act was enacted in the year. In which year?
1881.
1881.
Very good. Don't Google it. If you know, you can answer it. Very good. Very good, Amma. Very good answer.
March, sir, I think.
Yeah. Then under
March
bills of
5th.
exchange, you need to focus on the features of bills of exchange. There are different when honor of the bills, dishonor of the bills, retiring of bills. So like this, you need to focus on. Then next, consignment, joint venture, different methods of joint ventures. Then next, try to prepare depreciation and reserves, single entry, and accounts of non-trading concerns. So like this, FA1 topics and FA2 topics, all the topics were covered under financial accounting, from which 10 MCQs will be covered for 10 marks. So this is something about the financial accounting one syllabus. What you need to focus on? One is definition. Then next is features and golden rules of debit credit and all the formats and important concepts. So like that, you need to focus on so that you can score well. This is the sample question. In the previous year MCOM entrance test, these questions were covered. A company has changed its method of depreciation from straight line to written down value. Which accounting convention is most relevant in this situation? So they have clearly mentioned that consistency. Convention of consistency implies that every business concern should adopt same kind of methods, same kind of accounting practices every year, so that 1 year result can be compared with that of another year result. So that is implied by convention of consistency. But whenever there is a change is required, whenever change is inevitable, the change must be made. But the effect of change on profit, effect of change on financial position should be reflected in the financial statements. So that is the brief summary about the convention of consistency. So like this, very simple questions will be covered in the MCOM entrance test. The next one, advanced accounting. So this is the second subject from part A. From advanced accounting also 10 MCQs for 10 marks will be covered. So here the specific topics under advanced accounting is partnership accounts, including admission, retirement, death of partner, dissolution of partnership, sale to a company. So quarter of the syllabus is from partnership only: admission, retirement, death of partner, dissolution. Like this, under partnership accounts, what you need to focus on? First, to try to focus on the types of capital accounts. Then next, at the time of admission, what are the changes to be made in the books? And what is the goodwill treatment at the time of admission, at the time of retirement, at the time of death of partner? So like this, focus on most important points of that particular topic. And there is a rule, Garner versus Murray case. When it is applied, anybody knows it?
Dissolution of firms, sir.
Dissolution of
Yes, sir. Dissolution.
Dissolution at the time of dissolution of partnership. So the loss or negative balance of the partner who is insolvent should be shared according to the capital proportion. So that was the rule made by the Garner versus Murray law. So like this, you need to focus on the next company accounts, including issue of shares, debentures. Then what are the kinds of shares you try to learn, and what are the types of debentures? Then what are the model journal entries to be recorded at the time of issue? And there are 3 types of issues. Shares can be issued at par, discount, and premium. Debentures can also be issued at par, discount, and premium. So what are the model entries to be recorded under these categories? You have to learn. Then one more interesting thing is that in every MCOM entrance test, one bit will be covered from forfeiture of shares. When forfeiture of shares will happen? Whenever a partner applies for shares, then if he fails to pay the allotment money, first call, another call, and final call, then the shares allotment of shares will be cancelled by the company, and the money paid by the investor will be kept with the company only. So that kind of process called as forfeiture. So focus on the forfeiture, and what is the journal entry to be recorded at the time of forfeiture of shares? What is the journal entry to be recorded at the time of reissue of forfeited shares? So this is you need to focus on. Then next, redemption of debentures, underwriting of shares and debentures, and what is the commission for underwriting of shares? What is the percentage of commission for underwriting of debentures? That you need to learn. Then next, issue of bonus shares. What kind of shares will be utilized for issue of bonus shares? So that you need to focus on. Profit prior to incorporation, valuation of goodwill and shares. You might have learned about the different methods for valuation of goodwill and different methods for valuation of shares. And here, I would like to tell you one more important point. You try to practice short problems as well, so that if any problem is covered in the entrance test, you can solve it. So therefore, focus on methods and try to solve the problems. So these are the specific topics under advanced accounting, and which is one of the scoring subjects. This is the sample question that was covered in the previous MCOM entrance paper. At the time of admission of a new partner, the assets and liabilities of the firm are revalued to reflect their historical cost, book value, realizable value, current market value. Why assets and liabilities are revalued at the time of admission of a partner? To reflect the current market value. Kabatti oka new partner enter ayetappudu appuduన్న market value reflect cheyadaniki ఈ రివాల్యుయేషన్ అనేది చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో లైక్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా మనకు రావడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, the third most important subject. So this subject is incorporated this year itself. So that is cost and management accounting, one of the most interesting subject of most of the commerce students. So most people love this subject because of easiness. So our teacher used to tell us that those who can count the numbers on fingers can solve the problems of cost and management. So because of easiness, then what are the specific topics given under cost and management accounting? The elements of cost. What are the elements? Material, labor, and overheads. So these three topics you need to focus on. Then inventory control techniques. There are different types of inventory control techniques that includes stock level. When we talk about the stock levels, minimum stock level, maximum stock level, reordering level, danger stock level. So there are different stock level. For every level, there is a specific formula. And my dear students, I advise all the students to learn the equations or formulas to find out the different kinds of stock levels. You try to remember all the formulas. The next one, EOQ. As you know that economic order quantity. It is also one of the stock inventory control techniques. ABC analysis. ABC stands for always better control analysis. It is also one of the techniques. JIT analysis, just in time. WED analysis, vital, essential, desirable. Then FSND. What FSND? Fast moving, slow moving, non-moving, and dead stock. How to store these different kinds of stocks in the store. So for that purpose, this control technique will be adopted. So try to prepare all these inventory control techniques along with the formulas and try to practice the short problems as well. So for practicing the short problems, which book you need to go through? I suggest you the R.P. Trivedi book is the right book to practice the problems. Then we will discuss at the end of the session. The next one, unit costing. Under unit costing, they are mentioning preparation of cost sheet. Cost sheet is very easy. Then while preparing the cost sheet, we will find out the unit cost. The next, marginal costing. So marginal costing is very interesting topic. It is not only for MCOM entrance. After completion of your MCOM course, if you go for junior lecturer in commerce, degree lecturer in commerce, there will also be, it will be covered in the syllabus. So marginal costing is, it will be useful for in the future examinations as well. So under marginal costing, they will try to ask you marginal costing equation and contribution, how to find out the contribution, and profit, PV ratio, profit volume ratio, VEP sales. So these are the various techniques that will be adopted under marginal costing. You try to learn all the formulas related to these points. So focus on the formulas and try to practice the problems as well. The next one, standard costing and variance analysis. So when we talk about the standard costing, again, you need to remember the formulas. You try to mention on a separate paper all these formulas. If you write all these formulas on a separate paper, you can collect, you can review the formulas now and then, so that you can remember the formulas until completion of the entrance test. Then next, one more interesting topic is ratio analysis. So it is not only important for your MCOM entrance, it is also most important for further commerce related competitive examinations like JO, JL and DL. So under ratio analysis, they are going to cover activity ratios, liquidity ratios, solvency and profitability ratios. So under ratios also, you need to prepare all the formula list so that you can prepare them now and then and frequently, and try to practice the short problems. I have given you one small question because earlier it was not there in the syllabus. There was no question in the previous paper. That what is the question? In ABC analysis, ABC stands for always better control. So like this, questions can be framed and covered in the entrance test. Am I clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now
Yes.
coming to fourth interesting subject, that is business laws. And business, when we talk about the business laws, it deals with sections and acts. So from business laws also, 10 MCQs will be covered for 10 marks. Then what are the specific topics? Indian Contract Act. As you know that 1872 is the Indian Contract Act. And essentials of valid contract. A contract is equal to offer plus acceptance. So that is the formula. What is the valid contract? Different types of contracts. Offer. What are the essentials of offers and acceptance? The next, consideration. Consideration is the backbone for this contract. The next, performance of contract, breach of contract. So here the students should focus on the sections, relevant sections. And one more interesting thing is that you need to go through the case studies as well. So there are many case studies involved in different topics. You try to list out all these case studies on a separate paper so that you can go through them frequently. So this is about the Indian Contract Act 1872. The next one, significance of the Information Technology Act. Without Googling, tell me what is the IT Act, Information Technology Act? Anybody?
2000.
2000. Very good, very good, very good. So when you are preparing about the particular act, you try to record the year of act and try to focus on the date from which the act came into being. And from which date the act came into force, that you need to focus on. Because
October 17th.
yeah, 2 years ago, 4 to 5 questions were focused on the date of effect of the particular act. They focused on date only. So therefore, in the business laws, there are more than 12 acts are involved in this subject. Therefore, focus on different acts and their years, date of effect as well. The next one, Sale of Goods Act. This is 1930. Then Consumer Protection Act, 2019. It is not a 1986. Now you have to prepare this topic according to 2019 Act only. Then next, Intellectual Property Rights Act. There are different types of intellectual property rights like Patents Act, Trademarks Act, Copyright Act. Can anybody tell me Patents Act? So Patents Act is 1970. You are Googling now. So you need not to Google it. Patents Act is 1970. The next one, Trademarks Act 1999. So like this, focus on the different kinds of acts and their years and date of implementation as well, so that you can answer the questions. Then next, Indian Companies Act. So what is the present Indian Companies Act? 2013. Right. So under Indian Companies Act, formation of company, meetings and their rules, resolutions and winding up. So these are the specific topics you need to prepare from the Indian Companies Act. So this is something about the business laws. Right. Now, so far we have completed part 1. Now let us go to the part B. Part A completed. Let us move to the part B. So before moving to the part B, let us focus on the previous year question. What is the primary objective of consumer disputes redressal forums? So there are 3 forums at district level, state level and national level. So the primary objective of consumer dispute redressal forum is to resolve consumer disputes in a fair and speedy manner. So you try to understand the question first and try to choose the right option. So this is the sample question covered in the previous year entrance test. Now coming to the part B for 60 marks with 6 subjects, different subjects. Under part B, the first subject, and in a serial, 5th subject, that is business economics. When we talk about the business economics, you have to learn the subject by diagrams itself, so that you can understand well, you can remember well, and you can understand the concept very well with the diagram. So under business economics, the specific topics are very limited, and it is also one of the scoring subjects: business economics, characteristics, importance, micro and macroeconomics. Here I want to tell you who coined the terms macroeconomics. Do you know? So Ragnar Frisch, the Norwegian economist Ragnar Frisch, coined the year 1930. That is micro and macro. The next one, law of marginal utility. Can anybody tell me who propounded this law of diminishing marginal utility?
Alfred Marshall.
Alfred Marshall.
Alfred Marshall.
Sorry, Amma. Alfred Marshall further developed the this law.
Gaussen. H.S. Gaussen.
Yes,
Gaussen second law.
Heinrich Hermann Gaussen in the year 1854. You are very fast. Google is ready always. Okay, no problem. So, law of diminishing marginal utility propounded by H.S. Gaussen in the year 1854. So, whenever you are learning about particular law, you focus on the definition, assumptions, and the diagram, and what are the criticisms made by other authors. So that you need to focus on. The next one, law of equimarginal utility. This is also another law. Then demand analysis. So what is the demand? What is the definition? Law of demand. Then next, demand function. And what are the factors affecting the demand? Then next, another important topic is elasticity of demand as well. That is also most important. Price elasticity and cross elasticity of demand. So income elasticity of demand. From these topics also questions will be covered. Then measurement of elasticity of demand also is very important. Okay, so that is from demand analysis. The next one, supply analysis. Like demand, you need to focus on supply analysis as well, definition, law, and factors, supply function as well. So these are the specific topics that will be covered under supply analysis. Then next, production analysis. There are different types of production functions. You try to learn all the production functions. Cost and revenue analysis. My dear Rishita, please. Rishita.
Jaipal and Rishita, please
Right.
mute.
Right. Cost and revenue analysis. While studying the cost and revenue analysis, focus on total cost and average cost, marginal cost. And these three costs, how the curve will look like. Marginal cost curve look like what? U-shape or reverse U-shape. Like that, you need to prepare. Then next, revenue also, total revenue, marginal revenue, average revenue, and their curves. And how they look like in the short term, how they look like in the long term. So from that point of view, you need to prepare. So this is something about the business economics. Syllabus is very limited, topics are very limited, and you can score well. Right? Coming to next, this is the sample question covered in the previous year paper. What is the study of overall performance of an economy? So overall performance is studied by macro. Individual performance is studied by micro. The question itself has an answer. If you understand the question properly, you can pick the answer. You can pick the correct answer. The next one, VOM. It is also one of the most interesting subject of most of the commerce students. Sorry. Right. From business organization, the specific topics include concepts, forms of business organization. As you know that sole proprietorship, partnership, and giant Hindu family business, cooperative societies, all these topics should be learned. The next, giant stock company. Then functions of management. Here I want to ask you, who introduced the acronym post-carb? There is a word post-carb that is an acronym that covers all the functions of management. Can anybody? Post-carb is an acronym propounded by post-carb. So P for planning. Yeah. Very good. You are searching very fastly. Very good, Nana.
I am not searching, sir. Really.
Okay. You are answering very well. Okay. Luther Gulick. Do you know? Luther Gulick propounded the acronym post-carb that includes all the functions of management. Post-carb stands for P for planning, organizing, staffing, directing, cooperating. CO includes one. What is that? Cooperating and reporting and budgeting. So that is the full form of acronym. So the functions of management includes planning, organizing, authority, coordination, control, decision making, centralization and decentralization. So from these topics, what you need to focus on? You just focus on different types of plans. In every topic, there are certain principles of planning, and different types of organizations, the authority, delegation, decentralization. Like this, you need to focus on the specific topics. So this is something about the BOM. You might have studied in the semester 1. So this is the sample question. What is the primary function of commerce? What is commerce? So to facilitate exchange of goods and services, commerce is the combination of all the activities to exchange the goods from place of production to place of consumption. Whatever the activities are involved in exchange of goods from place of manufacturing to place of consumption, then all these activities are combinedly called as commerce. So that is the option 2 is the correct one. And coming to next interesting subject is business statistics. When we talk about the business statistics, it is very interesting subject because there are problems, there are formulas involved in each and every topic. You can easily solve. So then what are the specific topics from business statistics? One is origin, then next development of statistics, statistical investigation, diagrammatic presentation. So there are different types of diagrams, one-way diagrams, two-way diagrams, three-way diagrams. You try to learn all these diagrams. And measures of central tendency. From measures of central tendency, you have to learn mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean. There are 5 types of means. From each type, you need to focus on 3 data. That is individual observation, discrete series, and continuous series. From each series, you need to focus on what is the direct formula, what is the shortcut formula. So from all the methods, to practice the problems. Then next one, measures of dispersion, then skewness, kurtosis, correlation and regression. Here in each and every topic, there are certain methods for calculating the dispersion, calculating the skewness, kurtosis as well. And correlation, there are different methods of measuring the correlation. Regression, there are 2 equations under regression. Try to learn the equations. And index numbers, this is also one of the most easy topic. Under index number, weighted average method and unweighted average methods. Then next, time series, different methods are there. Then probability, theoretical, and distribution. So these are the specific topics covered under business statistics. And in business statistics, what do you need to focus on? One is definition. Second one, for every method, you try to record a separate formula. What is the formula to find out the mean under direct method and a shortcut method? Like that, you need to practice short problems. So for practicing all these problems, there is one book that will help you. That is R.P. Trivedi book. In R.P. Trivedi book, there are short problems for the practice purpose. You go through that book, right? So far we have completed 7 subjects. Only 3 are left. We will finish it. So this is the sample question. What is probability? The right answer is a measure of the uncertainty of an event. Okay, event యొక్క uncertainty measure చేస్తాయని మనం ఏమంటాం probability గా పిలుస్తాం. So coming to 8th subject, that is basic computer skills. Earlier there was only basic computer skills. This year they have added e-commerce topic. That means 5 questions will be covered from basic computer skills. The remaining 5 will be covered from e-commerce. Then what are the topics? Very limited topics are there. Fundamentals of computers, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. And introduction to Internet, World Wide Web. Who introduced World Wide Web? Dear students? Right. Tim Berners-Lee in the year 1989. Tim Berners-Lee introduced the World Wide Web. And web browsing, try to learn about web browsing. And e-commerce models. E-commerce is the new topic introduced this year. There are 4 e-commerce models. What are they? B2B, B2C, C2C, and T2C, direct to the customers. So there are various e-commerce models. Try to learn all these models. The next one, digital payment method. There are different types of digital payments methods are there. So while preparing this topic, try to focus on the current affairs also, Digi Money and the latest digital payments modes, and focus on the fintech concepts as well. Just now in the beginning, Dr. Satish Kumar sir was rightly mentioning that fintech commerce is going to be introduced this year. So fintech is also gaining a lot of popularity in these days. So try to learn all the concepts related to fintech as well. The next one. This is the sample question. What is a URL? URL means Uniform Resource Locator, which is related to a web address used to locate a specific resource. We are going to finish our presentation. Kindly bear with me. And the 9th subject is income tax.
Sorry for the interruption, sir. Please mute B. Srilata and Kavya.
Srilata,
B. Srilata and Kavya. Please mute.
My dear students, income tax was also part of the syllabus earlier. This year they have added basics of GST. Then direct taxation, definition, basic concepts of income tax. And whenever we are talking about the income tax, earlier Income Tax Act was 1961, but recently it was modified and introduced abroad. That latest income tax is Income Tax Act 2025, which came into being from 1st April 2026. Okay, is it clear? Right. So you need to learn basic concept. There are different concepts: person, income, previous year, current year. So like that, there are different concepts. For each concept, there is a separate section. You try to learn that section as well. The next one, residential status. The residential status is used to find out the scope of the total income of an assessee. So there are different types of residential status, and in income tax, there are 5 heads of income. All the 5 heads are covered under the syllabus. One is income from salary, income from house property, profits and gains of business and profession, capital gains, income from other sources. Here, what you need to focus on while studying the income from salary, income from salary head is covered from which section to which section. For example, income from salary is covered from 15 to 17. Like that, income from house property from which section to which section. Like that, you need to focus on sections and how to calculate the particular income from particular source and what are the rules, what are the sections you need to focus on. You try to learn all these points. Then coming to goods and services tax, which was introduced in the year 2017. So GST Act is 2017 that came into being from 1st July. So what are the basic concepts? What are the central indirect taxes subsumed in the GST? What are the state indirect taxes subsumed in the GST? You try to learn all these concepts. Then input tax credit, that is ITC, and registration. So these are the very few topics covered under GST. You might have studied very well in the final year, that is in the 6th semester. Is it 6th semester? Yeah, in the 6th semester you have studied. You try to recollect all those concepts. And coming to last, this is the question. What are the canons of taxation? Canons means principles of taxation. There are different types of canons are there. Canons means principles of taxation. That is the option 2 is the correct one. So like these simple questions will be covered. And we have reached to last subject, that is research methodology and project report. So from which 10 MCQs will be covered for 10 marks. So what are the specific topics from research methodology and project report? Steps involved in the research process, types of research designs, measurement levels, scaling techniques, types of hypothesis, testing procedure, sampling techniques. There are probability sampling techniques, non-probability sampling technique. Try to learn all these concepts. And report writing as well. So very simple questions will be covered from these topics. Report writing, types of reports, parts, contents, format of report, business report and academic report, essentials of good report writing. So these are all the topics covered from the research methodology and project report. Let us look at the sample question. So that is the question covered in the previous year exam. So what is the question? Which section of a report provides additional information that supports the research, such as raw data or extra figures? So as you remember that when you submit your research project report, at the end of your report, you have appended your questionnaire. So whatever the information attached or added at the end of the report is called as appendix. So this is known as appendix. Like this, very simple questions will be covered from the different topics you try to focus on. Right, so far we have discussed 10 subjects, specific topics. So what we have discussed so far, you need to follow. You try to focus on the key points. Don't prepare like semester examinations. you try to focus on only key points. So that is the competitive way of preparation. So in the beginning, I told you that I give you list of reference books. These are the subject-wise books. For financial accounting, you can go through the Tele Academy if it is available. If it is not available, you can go through the SP Jain and KL Naran book. So there are Advanced Accounting Volume 1, Volume 2 books are there. These 2 volumes are helpful for financial accounting and advanced accounting as well. And one more thing, for practicing purpose, you can use this RP Trivedi book. At the end of RP Trivedi book, there are certain multiple choice questions and fill in the blanks and one word answers, one line answers also there. You prepare all those points as well because they will help you a lot. Right? These are the 2 subjects. The next, for cost and management accounting, you can go through the M.N. Arora. This is the very wonderful book, Himalaya Publishing House. At the end of the book, they have covered multiple choice questions. Then for business laws, you can go through Tele Academy. One specialty of the Tele Academy book is that at the end of every chapter, they have provided multiple choice bits that will help you to prepare quickly, right? If Tele Academy is not available, you can go through the N.D. Kapoor Tulsian publication. Then coming to business economics, you can refer D.M. Mithani from Himalaya Publishing House. So these are the reference books, subject-wise reference books. The next for remaining books, remaining subjects, business organization and management, you can refer Sharma Sheshke Gupta. It is one of the best books available for you because each and every concept you can understand clearly. There are no technical jargons in this book. You can simply understand all the concepts. Then business statistics, SP Gupta and SC Gupta. And one more suggestion, try to go through the RP Trivedi books for practicing purpose. Then next, basic computer skills and e-commerce, Chetan Srivastava book. For e-commerce purpose, P.T. Joseph, SJ, PHI Publishers book. This book you refer cheyochu. Then next, income tax and basics of GST, H. Prem Raja, C.S. Sridhar Dubaka. This meeku telusu, you know very well about the Amstrala publication. You have practiced, you have followed this book in semester 4. Then next, GST Made Easy by Dr. Arpit Haldia, Taxman publication. And finally, research methodology and report writing, C.R. Kotari, one of the wonderful books available for the students. So go through it. And you can raise one doubt. Sir, we have no money to buy all these books. There is no time to collect all these books. Then what to do? There is one book that will guide you, that will help you. That is a passport to success. That is gateway to your success. That one book is nothing but Vijeta competition. That will make you a winner. So all the topics will be covered all in one in Vijeta competition book. But before buying that book, go through the syllabus, go through the topics, because without inclusion of latest syllabus bits, don't buy it. So before buying, please verify this book. So these are the specific books, reference books, subject-wise and all-in-one as well. So that is MCOM entrance. Latest book. After revision of syllabus, then only go for that book. Sorry. Right. This I don't want to cover now because we are running out of time. So this is my channel, MMR Commerce Academy. If you search in the Google address bar, you can find it. I have prepared topic-wise bit bank videos, almost for 6 subjects, 6 MCOM entrance subject. Whenever you find free time, you go through these bit bank videos. That will help you. So thank you very much for patiently listening to me. And this is something about the overview of syllabus and preparation strategies. And at the end of my presentation, I discussed reference books as well. So over to Naresh sir. I wish you all the best. And my dear students,
Thank you, sir.
neglect gundakandi na
Yes, sir.
last comment.
Thank you, sir.
చాలా మంది
Thank you, sir.
ఫ్రీ కాబట్టి విందాంలే రేపు విందాం ఎల్లుండి విందాం అనుకుంటారు. బట్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రిసోర్స్ పర్సన్ నేను చెప్పినామా, మీరు 10,000 రూపాయలు పెట్టినా దొరకరు, 20,000 పెట్టినా ఇట్లాంటి వాళ్ళు దొరకరు. కాబట్టి రోజు టైంకు లాగినాయి కంపల్సరీ.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for this wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Any questions?
Thank you, sir. Now I am requesting Ganesh Srinivas, sir. Please propose the vote of thanks to today's resource person and remaining resource person.
Naresh sir, before that,
Sir.
students,
Sir.
if you have any doubt, you can raise, unmute and raise. Dear students.
Dear students, please respond. You have any doubts related to this TGCPGET MCOM? Sir will answer your the questions.
Is it okay? Mr. Narendra, you can unmute and ask me. What is
Sir,
it?
sir, recent exam, cost control and management, I have not written properly, sir.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా పోస్ట్పోన్ అయింది కదా సార్, దాంతో రిజల్ట్స్ కూడా డిలే అవుతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ అది సిపి గేట్ ఉంటాయి కదా సార్, దానికి ఏమైనా ఎఫెక్ట్ పడుతుందా?
టికెట్ జూలై ఫస్ట్ వీక్ లో ఉంటుంది. అప్పటి వరకు మీ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోతే రిజల్ట్ కూడా వస్తుంది. డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ దట్, యూ విల్ గెట్ పాస్.
ఓకే సార్.
ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఏం. ఎనీ అదర్ స్పెసిఫిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్? మౌనికా, యూ కెన్ అన్మ్యూట్ అండ్ మౌనికా.
టీపీగెట్ మార్క్ టెస్ట్ ఎలా రాయాలో చెప్తారా సార్? టీపీగెట్ మార్క్ టెస్ట్ ఆన్లైన్ లో మన సెల్లులో ఎలా రాయాలో చెప్తారా సార్?
అది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ అన్ని క్లాసెస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత 45 days లో ఎండింగ్ లో అది పెడతారు, అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కవర్ చేస్తూ. దానికి ఒక గూగుల్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది, ఎట్లా పెడతారు అనేది చెప్తారు వాళ్ళు. ఓకే, టైం లిమిట్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ టైం లిమిట్ లోనే కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. డాక్టర్ సతీష్ కుమార్ సార్ మీకు చెప్తారు ఓవర్ ఏ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం. ఓకే, లింక్ ఇచ్చి గూగుల్ ఫామ్ ద్వారా కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు.
ఒకవేళ మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ రాయాలంటే ఎలా సార్?
మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ రాయాలంటే మళ్ళీ లింక్ మళ్ళీ షేర్ చేస్తారు నువ్వు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడానికి. సెల్ఫ్ అసెస్ అంటారు దాన్ని, సెల్ఫ్ అసెస్ టెస్ట్. దాన్ని మళ్ళీ ఇస్తారు, నువ్వు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Monica, do you have any question as you have raised your hand? Any specific questions? Otherwise, we will wind up.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, certificate application registration aitilla sir. Payment aitaledu.
పేమెంట్ అవుతలేదు. అందులో టెక్నికల్ పర్సన్ యొక్క నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళకి కాంటాక్ట్ చేసి ఒకసారి కనుక్కోండి, దాన్ని క్లియర్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు. తొందరగా. బాలచందర్, ఎనీ అదర్?
సార్, కాస్ట్ అండ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అకౌంటింగ్ లో ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్ లో లేబర్, మెటీరియల్, ఓవర్ హెడ్స్ అండ్ మెసేజెస్ సార్ ఎంటైర్ లెసన్ చదవాలా?
మొత్తం చదవాలి. ఇప్పుడు మెటీరియల్ చదవాలి. మెటీరియల్ డిఫరెంట్ టాపిక్స్ ఉంటాయి. మెటీరియల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఉంటాయి, తర్వాత పీపుల్ లిపో మెటీరియల్ ఇష్యూ టెక్నిక్స్ లేవా, మెటీరియల్ ఇష్యూ మెథడ్స్, వాటిని కూడా చదవాలి. పీపుల్ లిపో తర్వాత వాటిని కూడా చూడాలి. అందులో కీ పాయింట్స్ చదవాలి. చదవడం అంటే నేను ఎంతోమంది చెప్పాను, మళ్ళీ యూనివర్సిటీ ఎగ్జామ్ రాసినట్టు మీకు నోటికి వచ్చింది రాయడానికి సంబంధం లేదు. కీ పాయింట్స్ మీద ఫోకస్ చేయాలి. ఒక లెసన్ చదివిన తర్వాత అందులో ఒక 10-20 ఉంటాయి కీ పాయింట్స్, వాటిని మాత్రమే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, వాటిని మాత్రమే చదవాలి.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
సార్ చెప్పు
సార్. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్
సార్. ఎన్సీసీ కోటా ద్వారా ఏమన్నా సీట్స్ అలాట్మెంట్ ఉంటాయా సార్?
అది కౌన్సిలింగ్ అప్పుడు వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు. ఎన్సీసీ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఏ లెవెల్ వాళ్ళకి కోటా ఉంటుంది అనేది వాళ్ళు స్పెసిఫిక్ గా మన గైడ్ లైన్స్ లో కూడా ఉంటుంది. నీ నోటిఫికేషన్ లో కూడా ఉంటుంది బాబు, నేను వీలైతే నేను కూడా షేర్ చేస్తా.
అవునవును సార్, చూసిన సార్ ఆల్రెడీ. అయితే మీరు చెప్పలేదు, అయితే ఎన్సీసీ కోటా ద్వారా ఏమన్నా రిజర్వేషన్ ఉంటదేమో అని అడిగిన.
అది ఉంటుంది తప్పకుండా. ఎన్సీసీకి రిజర్వేషన్ ఉంటుంది. అందులో టాప్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో ఆ సర్టిఫికేట్ వాళ్ళకి కంపల్సరీ రిజర్వ్ చేస్తారు సీట్లు.
అంటే ఫస్ట్ కౌన్సిలింగ్ అప్పుడు తెలుసా సార్ అది?
అప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఒక పర్టికులర్ డేట్ నాడు ఎన్సీసీ వాళ్ళకి వెరిఫికేషన్ పెడతారు సర్టిఫికేట్స్. చాలా మంది రావచ్చు అందులో మళ్ళీ మెరిట్ వాళ్ళకి అలాట్ చేస్తారు.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఓకే, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. ఎనీ అదర్?
సార్.
యా
సార్, ఇప్పుడు మనం తెలుగు అకాడమీ బుక్స్ చదువుకోవడం సార్ రిఫరెన్స్ కింద?
చదవచ్చు. నీకు బిజినెస్ లాస్ అని ఉంటుంది ఒక బుక్, నువ్వు దగ్గర తీసుకో. మంచిగా ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది చాప్టర్ లో మంచి మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ బిట్స్ తయారు చేసారు వాళ్ళు. మంచి రిచ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్న ఫ్యాకల్టీ తయారు చేసారు దాని బుక్ ను. నువ్వు ఒకసారి చూడు, ఎంత అద్భుతంగా ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
అందులో లోపల కాన్సెప్ట్స్ కూడా ఈజీగా చదువుకోవచ్చు, బాగా రాశారు దాన్ని.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఓకే, వెల్కమ్. ఎనీ అదర్?
Srinivas sir, Dr. Naresh Srinivas sir.
Sir, I am on online.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Please propose the vote of thanks to today resource person, Dr. M. Malla Reddy, sir.
Okay, I will stop sharing, sir.
My dear students, please put on your videos. On your videos, make big claps, virtual claps. You clap to resource person. Then we will go for formal vote of thanks.
They are leaving the meeting, sir. Okay, thank you so
Right. Sir, respected Malla Reddy sir, you are the backbone for the student community. You have been accepting the proposal which was made by our Naresh Garu and on behalf of our side. All the dear students, what you posed a number of questions yesterday and the day before, all the questions were answered in one session. You have lot of doubt. You had a lot of doubts, sir. All doubts were clear. The responsibility is your side only. Our platform side, we are very clear. And on behalf of our total resource persons, the responsibility put his shoulders as Dr. Malla Reddy. He delivered the overview and the strategies to preparation for the preparation of MCOM. Thank you, sir, for your valid session. Your session is the
Sir,
base for
sorry for the
45
interruption.
days.
Malladi sir, నాకు ఒకసారి host ఇవ్వరా?
sir. Okay, okay.
Thank you. And my dear students, you listen carefully. The students, some of the students are leaving from the platform. You don't make it a habit. You may not get much more marks what you are expecting. This platform is working for your sake. So thank you, Malla Reddy sir, Associate Professor of Commerce, Kakatiya S.R.R. Government Arts and Science College. Thank you for your session and delivering the talk. My dear students, thanks to you, because of without you, this there is no platform. Thank you for patient listening. With this, we are going to conclude today's session. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, dear students, tomorrow onwards, the session's timing is 7 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Naresh sir, Malla Reddy sir is leaving.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, one and all, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right, sir. Right.
ఉన్నారా సార్ సుమలత మేడం, నాగలక్ష్మి మేడం, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. సుమలత
Good
మేడం,
evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్.
Good
గుడ్
evening,
ఈవినింగ్ మేడం.
Sumalata madam.
నాగలక్ష్మి మేడం కూడా ఉన్నారు. ఓకే,
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Okay, Naresh sir, we will successfully completed day one session.
inaugural session, day one session,
Inaugural
sir.
session
Okay.
with 110 students.
Yes, sir.
110 students participated. I'm expecting much more participations than last year because of our fruits were in the university. That's
Sir,
why.
one important note is that this is the paid Zoom version. The capacity is 300. So
Yes.
that's why we requesting all the students to inform your friends and your MCOM aspirants from the various college, and also I requesting